Hello, tutor. My name is Sergio Duarte. I am 27 years old. I am Colombia and, and I live in the city of Cucuta. I live with my father, my mother, and my sister. I I studied electronic engineering. Uh, we like most about my career is hard. I am complementing my knowledge and becoming more professional day by day. And what he reality don't like about the career is so much padding that is introduced into its heads. My last trip was to Ocaña Norte Santander, where I went to the falls of this town. We traveled on horse, motorcycles, we had horse friends, and we had a great time that week. Uh, in December, I have planned to travel again with my friends to spend vacation in Santa Marta. Is something that we haven't been planning for months. Thank you.